Mussels in red pesto. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 shallot, finely chopped, 1 small glass white wine, pinch crushed chili flakes, 500 grams clean live mussels, 2 tablespoons red pesto. Crusty bread, to serve. Method: heat the oil in a large pan and cook the shallot for 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Pour in the wine. Add the chili flakes and bubble for 2 minutes. Add the mussels. Cover and cook for 5 minutes until all the shells have opened. Discard any that remain closed. Stir in the red pesto and toss well. Tip into a large bowl and serve with crusty bread.